You don't have an Aussie backyard unless you have one of these old aluminium tables lying around showing some wear and tear. You could just toss it, or you could give it new purpose with some TLC and a coat of paint. Before you paint anything, you need to prep your surface. So I'm going to give it a light sand and then a wipe over with White Knight Rust Guard Solvent, which will ensure my paint properly adheres to the aluminium and stands the test of time. Now I'm ready for painting. I'm using White Knight Rust Guard Quick Dry Advanced Enamel, which is a primer and top coat in one. Any opportunity to reduce the steps in the painting process, I am in. You can have this tinted to any colour you want, and there are thousands of colours to choose from. I've gone with Taubman's Snowdrop, which is a clean white and will freshen this bad boy up for al fresco entertaining. Well, that was actually a very fast and effective transformation. Now I just need some chairs and I have myself a new and improved outdoor set.